Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a flip through of the new collections from Stamperia, the Classic Christmas and the Pink Christmas. So let's go ahead and jump right in. These are both 12 by 12. We're going to start with the Pink Christmas, and they are double-sided. They come in a pad just like this, and they open up like this. You just can easily tear off the pages. So here's the cover. You can use the cover as well with these images. However, this side is beautiful. All of these cut aparts. Let me hold it up closer here. Now these are going to be available in my Etsy shop. Actually, when this video goes up live on my YouTube channel this Saturday, or as it's going up today, is Saturday, December 5th. 2020. So if you are watching it after today, it may not be in my Etsy shop any longer. But for the introductory offer, these will be 10% off today if you're watching it the day that this airs. And there is a link below this video to take you to the shop. So let's just quickly go over some of these. It says, Merry Christmas with love. These are great little tags for gifts. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Christmas will always be as long as we stand heart to heart and hand in hand. Oh, that's really sweet. I believe that's from the Grinch Stole Christmas, that song. That's beautiful. Love is all around us. Greetings, joy. At Christmas, all roads lead home. Christmas is love in action for you. And I apologize if I'm off camera with any of these. Enjoy holiday season's greetings. Make a wish. Love the giver more than the gift. That's really sweet. This is the season to be jolly, dream, and believe. Wonderful, wonderful little tags there. Okay, so now we have some 4x6 cut aparts. These are beautiful. These would make some gorgeous cards or journaling inserts. Yes, the back has journaling for you. So great little inserts for mini albums. We have a beautiful tree decorated in lush pink roses of different shades. We have this lavender color mixed in here. That's just gorgeous. This little kitten is so cute, decked out with some flowers. And let's see, this little bunny in the basket. He is, or she is adorable. Little pearl necklace there. And let's see, Christmas with a candle, with a birdie and some pine cones. That is just gorgeous. And here's Santa, Happy Christmas. So they've really covered quite a bit in the images just on that one page. Here's the backs, beautiful for journaling on. Writing a nice sentiment. Love that. Okay, now here is our first full 12 by 12 sheet. Just see if I'm fully in camera here. It looks like I do get the whole thing, so yay. Okay, so we have this beautiful little cottage here. Music notes. This is just gorgeous. I could put a nice 5x7 matted photo there. I like that. Okay, so on this page, on the back, we have some squirrels here with the flowers. Just gorgeous. Here's some circular cut aparts. These are really nice. These would make really nice decorative coasters even, or put a photo on the back and have it be a little insert in there. Let me give you a little bit of a closer look on these. Beautiful Christmas cottage. The illustrations on Stamperia's paper collections just go above and beyond. They're so gorgeous. This beautiful like light turquoise color with some snowflakes in the background. And over here we have this gorgeous deer. Oh, how pretty. Just a lovely collage here. On the back, this beautiful floral piece. Great for matting or background. Okay, here's some 6x6 cut apart. Great, make a little 6x6 album or even 6x6 greeting cards or inserts into pocket pages, pockets for mini albums. Here's the back. Again, this would make great journaling or Christmas cards. Here we have a lovely image with Santa and his sleigh and his reindeer. It says Happy Christmas. And the back, beautiful floral. Now that's the same floral, but in blue. We had that over here to compare. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. We have a little envelope you can cut out and put together. So you'd cut this out and then score along here and fold. That is so pretty. This too looks like you might be able to cut this out and maybe fold that in half there. And here's some stamps. Beautiful images. I really want to do a mini album with this. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Here's the back. Wow. So you even have inside decorated, so you can open it up. So it's like you put a little letter or a photo, and it's just its own little piece. Oh, I love it. Okay. Oh, look at this background. So I can already see that I'm going to need 2 pads of these because it gives you one of each sheet. There are, let's see, there are 10 double-sided sheets, but they're all different. So I really suggest you grab 2 of these so you can use both sides. Look at these roses. Wow, I could see this as a background to a layout, a 12 by 12 layout. So pretty. Oh, here's that background again in pink. So we saw it in blue and in white or cream, and now a pink. That is so pretty. Give a quick little close up. Look at that. Wow. And here's a Christmas candle. Just stunning. Oh, and look at the back here. Has a blue with the pink roses. Okay, now here are some tags. These are just gorgeous. Oh, I would love to just cut these out and put them on all my Christmas gifts this year. They are just gorgeous. It says for you, greetings. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm gonna just give you a quick little close up on these. Those are just stunning. Nice little border strip down here. Beautiful pink. That's just like the blue one we saw back here. Yes, look at that. Gorgeous. You could even make this a baby Christmas album, and you can highlight the pinks for a girl, highlight the little teal or turquoise for a boy. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Oh, and look at these cutouts. Oh, wow. These are more cut up. So this is on the backing page of the pad here. So you can just cut all of these out. Very beautiful. Little ice skates. Little bunny kitty. Birdie's Christmas tree squirrel. This is just gorgeous. Okay, so that is the flip through for the pink Christmas from Stamperia. Now let's move on to the classic Christmas. I'm going to set this one aside. Now this one reminds me of their vintage Christmas one. I'm not sure if it's exactly the same or if they've made some changes, but I do see some similarities. They had a vintage Christmas, which I don't think is available any longer. I think that was last year's. This is their classic Christmas. So I see similarities. Again, I don't know if it's exactly the same or just similar. I'm assuming it's probably just similar since they've changed the name too. So let's go ahead and jump in on this one. Okay, so we have Santa. We've got the beautiful reds and greens. Oh, this kitty cat is just darling. She looks so fluffy and soft and beautiful. So on the back of the front cover, again, like the pink one, we have all of these tags. Oh, just gorgeous. Look at the Christmas cookies. Oh my goodness. Let's see. I'll just read some of these out. We have Jolly Christmas greetings. A Merry Christmas to you. May the joy thou lovest best stay with thee, a welcome guest. How beautiful is that? Christmas greetings. Never Christmas morning, never the old year ends, but someone thinks of someone, old days, old times, old friends. A Merry Christmas to you with the cute little gingerbread and candy cane. Happy holidays with the poinsettia and the bow. Am I off camera? I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay, let's see. Greetings. I wish you a bright Christmas just filled with pretty things and hope you will be happy with everything it brings. That's beautiful. With love. These are great gift tags. May your tree bend low with Christmas toys, and the whole day long be full of joys. That's so nice. These are just beautiful. Christmas music fill the air, season of frost and merry chime, bright herald of a happy time. A wish for happiness is here to follow you through the year. May Santa Claus have in his pack, my dear, everything you've wished for through the year. With mirth and joy in every way, may you be glad this Christmas day. Christmas greetings to me and mine, to you and yours. Wishing you the joy of the season. May the joy and love of Christmas make all your dreams come true. That is beautiful. I love this little cabin. Merry Christmas. That's beautiful. This looks delicious. Lots of scrumptious looking treats in here. Greetings stocking. Lovely 4x6 cut aparts. Again, we can use for journaling or for Christmas cards. Here's the back. Oh, I love when they do these images with the journaling lines. Just gorgeous. And then this side has the Christmas tree. There's actually journaling lines on here as well, but you can use this as a 12x12, put a 5x7 photo right here, mat it. That would be just gorgeous. You can even add some glitter glue, some stickles there. That would be beautiful to sparkle up that tree. Here's the stockings on the back. Very pretty. Here's some cut aparts in different sizes all around. You can use, if you have large circle punches, or just hand fussy cut them with your scissors. It's really easy. A nice green background with some snow. Beautiful poinsettia corner piece. Oh, I just bumped the camera. I apologize. Okay, we have the red just like the green one. Here's some more 4x6 cutouts. Very beautiful. I love the poinsettia. That is just gorgeous. Let me take a closer look there. Okay, let's see the backs. Oh, look at this. More journaling lines. Beautiful, beautiful. You can put photos here or journal. You can write the date, the people's name. Oh, it's just wonderful. Great for a Christmas recipe album or Christmas pages, baking cookies with the little ones, with family. Oh, wonderful memories. Let's see, this is, oh, just beautiful. All these treats, gingerbread man. Let's see, oh, here's some more tags. Use these on gifts as well, or put photos on the back and have them tuck in your little mini albums or your pages. Here's some little spots. See, now these I would use and put these on a page or a mini book and put like the person's name or the date or just any quick little thing you want to remember right next to the photo. That's a nice little way to just put that right on. It looks beautiful. Candy canes on a nice mint blue background. Oh, this is a beautiful cottage scene. Just gorgeous. Oh, this is some holly berries. And this page has these beautiful ornaments going across the top. Again, I'm going to need a second paper pad. I can see doing a 2-page layout with this one and having it go all the way across. You'll need 2 pages. Definitely recommend getting 2 of these pads when working with Stamperia. It's just gorgeous. Holly and Christmas trees. Oh, I love this one even more. This is the same print on the back, but with more of like a cream color background. And here's some beautiful, beautiful cut aparts. Oh, these are just stunning. You can even, after you cut these out, you can take like some glossy accents and make some of that food shine. Oh, it'll be so pretty. And that's the back. Okay, so there you have it. That is the flip through of both of the new Stamperia Classic Christmas and Pink Christmas paper collections. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've just started to do these flip through videos. If you do enjoy them, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications every time I post a new video. And I'd love to hear your comments, what your favorite collection is from today's video, and what you plan on doing with your what project that you plan on doing with the collection, and which one that you're going to get. And once again, check out that link below, and it'll take you to my Etsy shop where you can find these. Again, it might go fast. If they're gone, go ahead and message me and I'll see if I can get another shipment going depending on demand. So we'll see, but we do have an introductory offer today for the 10% off if you're watching the day this video goes live. So thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great day.